Hello, this is Kazu. Today we're tackling a small Two-Tsubo extension remodel. We'll build a new roof that ties into the existing exterior wall. The plan is to add a bathroom, toilet, and a washroom. First, we set up the chobari, the reference framework. Using these stakes, we mark the exact position of the house and set the level. For Yo-chan, this big kakea mallet is just too heavy to handle. So she switched to a shorter kakea that's easier to aim with. I felt like I might get whacked, so I wore my cap backwards, ready to dodge if needed. Then suddenly, Yo-chan started swinging the kakea with full force. In this video, we'll cover temporary works, foundation work, framing, reinforcement, floor framing, carpentry details, and tying into the existing house. It's only a 3-Tsubo extension, but it includes almost everything in home building. We snap layout lines from the existing floor line FL and ground line GL. We check the space for the bathtub, the ceiling height, and the crawl space height. And of course, the roof slope has to be factored into the extension. With the chobari finished, we start leveling the ground around the extension area. Once the work began, issues came up: drainage for rainwater and sewage, and soil conditions. On top of that, lumber prices hit record highs, what we call the woodchuck. Plenty of obstacles ahead. The property itself is quite large, but the extension is at the back of the house. The longer the hauling distance, the longer the road to completion. We use a laser to set the foundation height and ground level.
これが今度仕上がりよ。仕上がり。それから10セン掘りたんやろ。そうやね。
This is a laser level used outdoors by foundation and plastering crews. It projects a 360-degree horizontal line. It's a bit different from the lasers we carpenters use indoors. It's such a peaceful job site. In fact, this exterior work wasn't even in the original plan. Since it was unplanned and outside budget, we carpenters also pitched in to help Mr. Hishiki. A few years ago, I would have just supervised work outside my trade. But once you actually help on site, you notice things you never did before. Work that would normally wrap up smoothly when left to pros, this time was a series of unexpected tasks. Even with drawings on hand, countless changes popped up. budget changes too. Balancing money while keeping construction moving is tough. The foundation, the slab, the floor line, the eaves, even the roof, plus the AC unit base and pipes. Things clashed, heights didn't line up, clearances couldn't be secured. The house itself is a simple structure. But an extension is still a remodel. Existing parts get in the way, surprises come up. I'd love to apprentice in foundation or plaster work, even just for a week. The sun is blazing now. It's scorching hot. Little by little, the heat drains my energy. Unfamiliar tasks really wear you out. For me, this house is a special place. It takes me back to my beginnings. I actually built this house 12 years ago, right after going independent. Back then, senior carpenters helped me along the way. I just worked like crazy, giving it everything I had. This house really is special to me. While they went to fetch crushed stone, I leveled the leftover soil. Ten years ago, when she entered this trade, Yochan also worked like crazy on site. The heat has Yochan staggering now. We don't have the energy to deal with sales calls. My brain's not even working anymore. Civil engineering crews who do this day after day are amazing. Maybe they're using a whole different set of muscles. I'm so tired, I can't even talk or answer anymore. I never knew wearing rubber boots all day could be this tough. I never knew crushed stone could be this heavy. I never knew shade could feel this precious. At last, the leveling work before the foundation is done. Mr. Iwatani, the plumber, has arrived. He'll connect the new bath and washroom drains to the existing piping. In recent years, my region has recorded 40 degrees Celsius many times. Digging sewer lines by hand in this heat is brutal. Hard soil has to be broken up with a power hammer like this. Next comes joinery cutting for the extension frame. Normally, I'd order pre-cut lumber, but since it's only 3-Tsubo, I'll hand cut the framing myself. The next video will show that joinery cutting, and the two of us tackling the frame, racing for this 3-Tsubo extension. No scaffolding, muddy ground. We take on the challenge of this remodel. To be continued. A like or a comment really encourages us. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.